Good morning, everybody. Miss Nay again. How are you? I hope good. I'm good too. Reading lots of books, getting a lot of schoolwork done, and thinking about you guys. Hope everybody's good. Let's get our lesson started for today. Help me out by singing. You guys know this song. Here we go. I'm looking at you, and what do I see? A happy face smiling back at me. And when I smile, you do too. Happy to see me, happy to see you, doing what we like to do. Happy to see you, happy to see me, I like you. Bum ba dum bum 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 ba dum bum 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 bum. One more time. I'm looking at you, and what do I see? Happy faces smiling back at me. And when I smile, you do too. Happy to see me, happy to see you, doing what we like to do. Happy to see you, happy to see me, I like you. All right, you know what's next. Get your binoculars on and look outside. Oh, I don't know. Let me see. Show you what's happening at my house. It's kind of cloudy, guys. I don't see the sun today. So let's look at my vocabulary for my weather. There's the sun, but you know what's in front of it today? The clouds. It's kind of cloudy at my house. Do you remember what makes the clouds blow away? The wind. Then maybe we'll see some sun. But right now it's cloudy at my house. Okay? How does that make me feel? It's okay. I'm still happy. I can still go outside today, and maybe you can too. So it's a cloudy day, and it makes me happy that it's not raining and I can go outside. All right, let's get your buses started. Are you ready? Get set, go! The bus stopped on Wednesday. Let's sign that together. The bus stopped on Wednesday. There's my W, guys. I can make a W with my fingers. 1, 2, 3. W. W for Wednesday. Let's look at the days of the week. Let's say them together. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Days of the week. And today is Wednesday. Okay, today we're going to talk about just vocabulary in my book, talk about what we do with some of these things at our houses, and then we're going to talk about opposites a little bit. We started talking about opposites this spring when we were in school. But let's start with my word book. Good vocabulary. What's on the front, guys? A flower. What color? Pink. Pink flower. Open your book. My first picture is a hat. Where do I put my hat? On my head. Keeps my head warm. What are these? Shoes. Where do I put my shoes? On my feet. And when I have two of something that goes together, do you remember what we call it? A pair. Mommy might say, go get your pair of shoes. They go together. Miss Nay has a pair of glasses. 1, 2. Two things that go together. A pair. Another pair. A pair of socks. And they go on your feet. That's right. How many? 1, 2. A pair of socks. And we just saw my picture of a pair of shoes. Next is a bib. Who needs a bib, guys? A baby. A baby who's learning to eat. Might be a little messy. They use a bib. Coat. Why do we need coats? Keep you warm when it's cold outside. A dress. Mostly girls would wear a dress, right? What's that? Table. A table for eating at, playing, working, okay? And this is a chair. What do we do with a chair? We sit down on it. What's that? A cup for drinking. Many of you don't need a sippy cup. You're big kids who know how to drink out of a big kid cup, right? Yeah, that's a cup of, looks like water. There's a bowl to put our cereal or our snacks in so they don't roll all over the table. A bowl. Ah, what's that? Apple? Do you remember where apples come from? Trees. You got it. What color is that apple? Green apple. Milk. Who drinks out of a bottle? A baby. Not you guys. You're big kids. Babies need a bottle to learn to drink from. This is a toy called a rattle. Babies like rattles because it makes sounds. It's easy to hold and play with. It's called a rattle. What's this, guys? Ball. Another toy to play with. Oh, a book. You guys are so good at looking at books. And there is a book. And it's probably about animals. I see a zebra. I see a lion. Another toy is a stuffed chick. Baby chicken. Or maybe that's a duck. What is it? It's a car. What color is it? Yellow car. And the car says what? Beep, beep. Or vroom, vroom. What's this? Boat. What color is it? Blue. And boats belong in the water. Cars belong on the road. Last week we talked about parts of our body and we talked just about our faces. There's his nose. He has 2 ears. He has 2 eyes. Remember what this is called? Chin. And up here? Head. And there's our hands. How many hands do we have? 1, 2. 2 hands. And we have 2 feet for those socks and those shoes we just talked about. Bathtub. Why do we need to take a bath? To get clean. Play with your toys in the water. At nighttime we go to bed. We sleep in our beds. And then a blanket. Why do we need blankets? Keeps us warm and they're soft. All right. The end. Very good, guys. Very good. You probably have a lot of these things at your house. Today, go find the table. Go find your chair. Go find a blanket on your bed. Go find a ball. Some of those things you probably have at home. Now I have another book, and this one's opposites. This is a whole other skill, guys. We just started it, talking about opposites. 2 things that are not the same. This lion is big, and this mouse is little or small. Okay? That little guy is short, but this guy is long. Some animals might have a short tail. Some animals might have a long tail. Some people have short hair. Some people have long hair. Those are opposites. This dog is in his doghouse. This dog is out. The squirrel is up and the rabbit is down. That snail is slow and the fox is fast. Oh, that monkey's happy. Oh, but this monkey is sad. What happened? His ice cream fell down, made him sad. The frog is getting wet. but the turtle is staying dry because he's using a what? Umbrella. Keeps us dry. And here's the daytime when the sun is out. And now it's time to go to sleep because it's nighttime. In the daytime we see the sun. At nighttime we see the moon. The end. All right. Nice job, guys. Hey, last week Monday, we learned a new letter. That was letter X. Last week we talked about Z, but this week it's X. Uppercase X, lowercase x. Yep, they look the same, don't they? Let's look at my row of letters here. Let's find that X. Let's name these letters as we talk about them. All right, looking for X. Is this X? No, it's B. Ba. Is this X? Yes. I'm going to circle my X. Is this X? No. What is that? T. T. Let's get our next set of letters. Is this X? Nope. That's L. Is this X? Nope. That's M. Is this X? Yes. Let's circle X. My last row. Is this X? No, it's S. Is this X? Yes. Let's circle it. Is that X? No, that's N. Remember? N. All right, don't forget X, guys. On Friday, we'll have another activity for our X's. Okay, let's go over some SRA, which is just using pronouns he and she. Remember I said if it's a boy, we say he. He is brushing his teeth. All right, what is he doing? Brushing his teeth. Say the whole thing. He is brushing his teeth. Good. And a girl. She, I would say she is running. She is a girl. What is she doing? Running. Say the whole thing. She is running. Good job, guys. He, this is a boy. He is what? Kicking the ball. Say the whole thing. He is kicking the ball. Last one. It's a girl. She is reading a book. What is she doing? Reading a book. Say the whole thing. She is reading a book. Okay, very good. Remember he and she. That was something we really had to work on when we were in school. Okay, for fine motor today, guys, I want you to just free write. Get markers and crayons and whatever else you have at home. Chalk on chalkboards. Make sure you're using your appropriate pencil hands. Remember, this is not a pencil hand. I need 3 fingers right here. And that's how we hold our markers, our crayons, our chalk, our pencils. Okay? That's a good pencil hand. And just draw circles and shapes. Draw pictures, draw suns. Okay? Might want to just go back and forth and up and down. Make it rain. Make sure you make a cloud on the top and maybe have raindrops come down from it. But just start to get those writing utensils in your hands. And then for gross motor today, if you can, go outside and do bubbles. And parents, a good recipe for bubbles is just your dish soap and water. And if you have the wands, it makes an ideal bubble. Sometimes people add Caro syrup and things to thicken it up a little bit. And you can add food coloring. So that's your outside project for gross motor today. I hope you've had fun. I have. And I miss you still. And get your work done and work hard for moms and dads. Okay? Work hard. You know how to do that. So hope you're doing well, everybody. And I'll see you on Friday. Mwah. Bye-bye.